In this lesson, we will solve the equation step by step without using the quadratic formula. The equation is parentheses x squared over x squared plus 25 and parentheses squared plus parentheses x squared over x squared minus 25 and parentheses squared equals 30. We will keep the background black and use thick text for clarity. Step 1. Let y equal x squared. This reduces the double square. Then the equation becomes parentheses y over y plus 25 and parentheses squared plus parentheses y over y minus 25 and parentheses squared equals 30. Also note the domain restriction x squared is not equal to 25, so denominators are non-zero. Step 2. Clear denominators. Multiply both sides by parentheses y plus 25 squared times y minus 25 squared. The left side becomes y squared times parentheses y minus 25 squared plus y squared times parentheses y plus 25 squared. The right side becomes 30 times parentheses y plus 25 squared times parentheses y minus 25 squared. Step 3. Expand and simplify. We have y minus 25 squared equals y squared minus 50y plus 625, and y plus 25 squared equals y squared plus 50y plus 625. Adding them inside the brackets gives 2y squared plus 1250. So the left side is 2y to the fourth plus 1250y squared. On the right, note that y plus 25 times y minus 25 equals y squared minus 625. So the right side is 30 times y squared minus 625 squared, which is 30 times y to the fourth minus 1250y squared plus 390,625. Step 4. Bring all terms to one side. We get 28y to the fourth minus 38,750y squared plus 11,718,750 equals 0. Divide everything by 2 to simplify. Step 5. Let u equal y squared. Then we have a true quadratic in u. 14u squared minus 19,375u plus 5,859,375 equals 0. We will factor without using the quadratic formula. We seek integers a and b such that a times b equals 5,859,375, and 7 times b plus 2 times a equals 19,375. Using prime powers of 5, we find a equals 3,125 and b equals 1,875. Indeed, 7 times b plus 2 times equals 13,125 plus 6,250 equals 19,375. Therefore, the factorization is parentheses 7u minus 3,125 and parentheses times parentheses 2u minus 1,875 and parentheses equals 0. Step 6. Solve the factors. 7u minus 3,125 equals 0 gives u equals 3,125 over 7. 2u minus 1,875 equals 0 gives u equals 1,875 over 2. Recall u equals y squared. So y equals the positive square root of u because y equals x squared is non-negative. Then x squared equals y. So x equals plus or minus the square root of y. This yields 4 real solutions. Step 7. Domain check and simple real form. We must have x squared not equal to 25. Our y values are approximately 21.12 and 30.61, so neither equals 25, and the denominators are non-zero. For a simple real summary, the solutions are approximately plus or minus 4.596 and plus or minus 5.534. Final answer, 4 real solutions.